Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the filter screens on your LG washer, you will need channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Remove the filter screens. To install the new filter screens, insert the orange screen into the hot inlet and the blue screen into the cold inlet. Rethread the water supply lines over the hot and cold inlets. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply. And your washer should be ready for use.